Once again, happy Aloha Friday and happy May Day. Now, this is going to sound so weird because it is May Day, but can we start with a hamburger hack?
Oh, you had me at hamburger.
Actually, it's a Burger King Whopper hack.
Oh, what's the scoops, brother?
And I've been dying to tell you about this because Reddit users and Burger King fans say one simple request can make all the difference between a Whopper that's been sitting in the warmer and one that's fresh off the grill.
Okay, what's the hack?
Well, the hack is you have to order it hot off the broiler.
Oh.
And you can do it at the counter, you can do it in the drive-thru, you can do it on delivery, hot off the broiler.
You know, because I don't like onions, I normally order my hamburgers without onions, and I'm thinking that will make it fresh, right? But this is even fresher.
Yeah. I think you gotta give specific instructions because perhaps some people might just open the bun
and just scrape off the onion.
I'm not saying that Burger King does it. I love Burger King, but just in case, hot off the broiler. Of course, there's gonna be a catch. Ordering it this way will add a few minutes, especially if you're in the drive-thru to your wait time, but it's worth it.
Worth the wait, for sure. You know, and I wish there was a simple hack to get fresh flour lei for May Day or graduation season.
I know, what's the scoop, sis? No more.
Well, flower shops are definitely feeling the impact after the recent storms with far fewer blooms available. Fewer blooms available. I said fewer blooms available.
It's pretty horrible, actually. All of those flowers took a really big hit. With a 20-year flood like that, it really affected all the farmers and destroyed crops that they've been tending for a year.
Yeah, you know, demand is still very high. Some are relying more on imported flowers to keep up.
That's like with orchids and stuff,
Yeah, but family, just plan ahead and be flexible this season. That's what I say.
Far fewer blooms.
Far fewer blooms.
You chew off our director,
Sorry, I'm sorry.
Okay, if you need a fresh flower lei for graduation season, by the way, heads up, the first public school commencement is Friday, May 16th at the Neil Blaisdell Arena. That's going to be Castle High School.
That's just 2 weeks away, brother.
Yeah, and then the very next day, seniors from Maui High, Aiea, and Pearl City High School will walk the line. So just a heads up.
Well, we've got that full list of graduation dates on our website so that you can plan ahead. KITV.com. Just search out graduation dates.
Of course, as we mentioned, today is Lei Day in Hawaii, and if you're lucky enough to have a plumeria or a puakeni tree in your yard, make a lei, wear a lei, and head to any of these events that are up on your screen right now. That's actually happening here on Oahu.
That's right. We've got the Hawaii Lodging and Tourism Association 47th Annual Visitor Industry Charity Walk. We've got, the Manuoku Festival. That's our little...
Yeah, let go.
Our little baby sitting inside the trees right there. Iolani Palace is happening from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. And of course, if you want to, connect with your Filipino self or your Filipino belly, because the food going to be good, we know. Flores de Mayo and Filipino Fiesta coming up at the Philcom Center, 10 a.m. to 6 p.m.
Lots of things to do this weekend, of course.
I'm suffering FOMO.
I know, there's so much.
I want to be everywhere, but cannot.
Well, of course, May Day, today we have Beneath Our Hawaiian Skies at the Waikiki Show.
Yes.
And then I believe there's another event at the Bishop Museum.
Yes, so that's with Mele.com. And then there is the Kamamesku's Song Contest. Big night.
Huge. All right. So what's the scoops with you? What do you think about all these things that we just talked about? Are you going to try the Whopper hack? I know I probably am this weekend.
Oh, yeah, for sure.
And do you have like a favorite spot where you can grab your fresh flower lei? You probably don't want to tell us. You want to keep that a secret.
Well, don't tell us until you get them yourself, right? And of course, where are you going this weekend? Where are you going to be celebrating? Let us know by sending an email at islandlifelive@kitv.com or post a comment directly to this video on our YouTube page. Just search out KITV.